What's up, food soulmates? For those of you who are new to the channel, welcome. Today we have an amazing butter chicken recipe to share with you. You will learn how to make this delicious, creamy and velvety dish. For this recipe, you will need 1 cup of plain yogurt, 60 grams of ginger, a head of garlic, 2 tablespoons of garam masala, 2 teaspoons of salt, saffron threads, 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil. Cut the chicken thighs into chunky 2 to 3 centimeter pieces and place them into a large bowl. Peel the garlic and scrape the skin off the ginger with a small spoon. Crush the garlic in a garlic press. Grate the ginger. Place half the salt, vegetable oil, half the garam masala, yogurt and half the garlic and ginger mixture together into the bowl with the chicken thigh pieces. Crush the saffron threads and add in. Rub in the marinade deeply and evenly, making sure all pieces are covered. Marinate for at least 1 hour or more. It can be left overnight in the fridge if you have the time. As we do not have a tandoor, we will mimic the tandoori chicken by baking them in the oven. Grill or bake the chicken in the oven for 20 to 30 minutes at 200 degrees Celsius until lightly browned. For the sauce, you will need 8 cloves, 3 tablespoons of tomato paste, half a cup of cashew nuts, 80 grams of butter, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, 1 tablespoon of garam masala, 30 grams of ginger, half a head of crushed garlic, half teaspoon chili powder, 1 tablespoon fenugreek seeds, and 12 pods of cardamom. 1 cup of cream, 600 grams of tomato puree, 1 cup of water. No need to buy cashew or almond milk from the grocer. It can be easily made from scratch. Add the butter to a pan along with the cardamom, cinnamon and cloves. Fry for 5 to 6 minutes until fragrant. Add fenugreek seeds, chili powder and remaining garam masala. Add the rest of the salt and garlic ginger mixture and sauté until browned and fragrant. Add the passata and tomato paste and stir. Add the cashew nut milk and cook this mixture over medium heat until the tomatoes have become very thick and paste-like. This will take approximately 6 to 8 minutes. Pass the sauce through a wire strainer into a saucepan, pressing on the solids with a spatula to get as much sauce through as you can. This step helps to remove any seeds and pods from the mixture and create a smooth and velvety texture. Take the chicken out of the oven. Add the sauce back to the pan and place in the chicken pieces from the oven and cook stirring for 5 minutes. Lastly, add cream and stir in. Turn off the pot right before it starts to boil and bubble. You can use full, light or coconut cream. Coconut milk can also be another option. Plate the butter chicken with some turmeric basmati rice and garnish with parsley or dill. It can also be served with naan. Enjoy!